Last morning in Ben Tre, Thursday, 4th of July.
We are going to get the oil changed on our bikes for
In
the
the
last
rain.
time before Ho Chi Minh City. It's raining, so we put on all the wet weather gear. I think I've done it well.
Cool.
Yeah.
We've arrived in Ben Tre and quickly had a shower and made our way to the go. But there was also some fruit stalls that we saw on the way to here, so I think watermelon and pineapple we'll get on the road. See what else we can get here. We don't have a fridge, so we can't get fridge things, but we don't usually get fridge things. Friday, 5th of July, and it's our first day in Ben Tre, where we've come, and we've decided to come and visit a chocolate factory. We've just stopped for coffee on the way.
I have stopped for coffee on the way. There's a statement I need to make, but I don't know whether to do it now or later.
Oh damn.
No, it's just basically saying how we came to Vietnam. I should probably write it down as a thing, but we came to Vietnam. We decided to drive from the north to the south of Vietnam, and we decided to buy some bikes. We bought bikes for probably the cheapest budget that you could afford to give yourself here. I mean, my bike was £124 for goodness sake. We not only travelled the length of the country, we decided to visit another country on the way. Come on. And spent 30 days touring around Cambodia. Now these bikes, yes, Tara's bike needed a little bit of fixing. Yeah, they might have needed nursing only slightly, but for the most part they've been solid, reliable, and they've got us from place to place.
Many places.
Some places being more difficult to get to than others. I'm talking roads that weren't amazing, and they're still here. We've driven past Ho Chi Minh, which is the finishing line, and we've come into the Mekong Delta because we've got more time. I have every confidence they're going to get to Ho Chi Minh. The only thing left on our checklist is to sell them. I don't know how much they're going to go for, but
they're worth it.
Even the accomplishment that we've done now is an absolute triumph, and it's been an absolute pleasure owning them. It's been slightly uncomfortable riding them, but they've got us everywhere around two fantastic, amazing, beautiful countries, and I just wanted to address it slightly, that's all.
Dragon fruit! Red one's on there! We're going too fast! We can't get the dog killed!
Maybe we should go to like the dragon fruit.
Whoa, what is this pink tree? That's beautiful. Coconuts. Come and get your coconuts.
Tell a story of like day 1, day 2, day 3.
Smells like rice.
So it smells like rice.
It smells like Aaron's socks.
Yeah, rice bomb.
And
Okay, so we've arrived here. Oh, I've used the wrong view of the camera. Well, it is Alluvia Farms. Oh no, I'm never going to get the hang of this. It's backwards. Alluvia Chocolate. It's a farm that farms its own cocoa beans and makes its own chocolate. And we have got a tour today by one of the staff. The main tour person isn't here today, but she said or the English-speaking tour person isn't here today. So we will have a Google translated tour, which will be good, hopefully.
yes, fine.
Absolutely fine.
Can you spot any cocoa? So there wasn't any information online. There wasn't a website, at least on the Google Maps, of this place, and the only information I had was from reviews, and the only information was about the price. Nothing about, you know, how you organize a tour, like do you need to get in touch beforehand, or like if you go, the times of the tour, etc. Because surely they can't just show people a tour whenever people arrive at any time with any amount of people, but maybe they do, because Vietnamese are very hospitable. But yeah, it just seems like there's enough staff here who work here who know the process, and they know that people come here for tours, and they're just ready to give people a tour. So it's 200 Vietnamese dong per person, which is about how much pounds, Aaron?
£6.50.
About £6.50, about $8. And we'll bring you along and see what the tour gets you. Wow. Is coffee or chocolate? Cocoa. Wow. What was it, June? Sorry?
That's powerful. It's like
Powerful. Oh, look. Ooh, try.
Yes.
wow.
Wow.
So this is a fresh bean.
It looks like the fruit of mangosteen. Oh, slippy. We
I reckon
eat?
it'd be- what do you reckon it's going to taste like?
Like mangosteen?
I reckon it'll be bitter. Oh my god, it's
You
sweet
eat
and
white
lovely.
rice and spit out the very bitter seeds.
Very bitter seeds.
I knew that the seed would be bitter.
The flesh.
The flesh is sweet and amazing.
It's kind of got the same slipperiness and mushiness
That's
of
mangosteen.
durian as well.
Mm. Oh,
I kind of want to bite into the seed.
is that now? Wow.
So this is a
A
cacao
cocoa pod. Cacao pod.
cacao pod. Amazing.
They're arranged very
My
In a
program
lattice
includes
is-
presentation.
You got cacao in your mouth?
yes. Thumbnail opportunity.
Includes 7 steps. Planted for 2 years, the tree will bear fruit from
Yes.
flowering to ripening, 4.5 to 5 months. There are 2 ways to harvest. Cut the roll immediately or turn it left in one direction. incubation time is 6 days, and we will mix once every 2 days.
Okay.
For the fermentation process.
I would like one of my favourite people in the entire world to come and do an inside the factory here, and that is Greg Wallace. I don't know if I wouldn't do it justice, but I'd be like, oh wow, look at all the cocoa beans. Oh, it's bitter. Love Greg Wallace.
After incubation, the layer of white rice will disappear. We will proceed to the third step, which is drying.
Drying.
If it rains, we use a tarp to cover it.
Okay. Drying time 6 days.
We proceed to the fourth step, which is roasting. The roasting time is 30 minutes and the output temperature is more than 100 degrees.
Wow, I'd expect it.
Here we also have 2 more machines, the crusher and the shell blower. Then we will get the kernels.
Okay. Told you.
Is a roller made by Mr. Ben from Germany. It will run for 2 to 3 days to create a batch of pure chocolate. If you add ingredients such as cinnamon powder, coconut milk, coffee powder, it will run for another 2 to 3 days to create a new batch of chocolate. At this point, our chocolate is in thick liquid. We need to heat it and it molds it.
Yeah.
Here we have many types of molds, such as 100 grams, 80 grams, 30 grams, and depending on each type, we will leave them in the refrigerator for different times. After taking out the shaped chocolate and proceed to the next step, Saturday is the package.
Let's go see the cocoa tree.
Let's go see the cocoa tree. Come in. Bye bye, cocoa bean.
Probably cocoa.
You can take it with you and eat it.
Oh, wonderful.
Come in.
In the garden that are 18 years old.
Okay.
5 plants that are green when alive and yellow when ripe.
Green when alive, yellow when ripe. Oh, there's a little one there. That's a baby.
This is a cocoa flower. It is very small.
Cocoa
From
flower.
flowering to fruit ripening is 4.5 to 5 months.
From flowering to fruit ripening, the flowers is 4.5 months.
Wow.
But all of these will probably go to cocoa bean.
Hey, Claire.
It smells unpleasant.
Because the flesh, I guess,
Is,
goes off a bit, but the flesh isn't important because that comes off.
Yeah. Like this underneath.
This is a low season, so you will see very few cocoa pods.
Oh, okay.
And this is one. They sacrificed a whole one for us.
Oh no. But we'll see all the baby cocoa pots.
Yeah.
The plants have only been planted for about 2 years.
Oh, wow.
okay.
Oh, an orange. The big
Yeah.
oranges.
Maybe look around.
Oh, dear. Ooh. Mm-hmm.
This is fertilizer.
Oh. Is it that, or is it to stop the sun so that the water doesn't dry up as much?
There's a few reasons. They'll use it to cover the ground so that there's less weeds. The bacteria will get in it and break it down so that it then, as the rain goes on it, will then like leach
All right. Where's the girl gone?
Into the soil. Okay. The first 2 years, the tree needs a lot of water to irrigate. Here, the tree will be intercropped with coconut because the coverage is only about 40%. So if they put coconuts above the trees, it shades them.
Nice, yeah.
Yeah.
And they'd have a lot of water.
Mm-hmm.
That is a lot of water.
At least you...
An overdone bean there. There's some beans going now.
Cocoa, so we don't let it get too ripe or too raw.
Yes.
If it's ripe, the squirrels
Squirrels
and
will eat
mice
it.
will eat it too raw and
Yeah.
Mm.
it won't be of good enough quality to make chocolate.
Oh, okay.
Cây này bao nhiêu tuổi?
How old are these trees along here? They're all about 2 years old.
Mm.
They will leave seeds for us, but we will not be able to use those seeds again.
Mm.
Hạt đó nó vẫn nảy mầm nha.
The seed will still germinate, but when it becomes a tree, it will not produce fruit.
Oh.
I wonder why that is.
Trees are grafted trees. Those trees will not produce
Ah.
fruit when they grow up.
Okay.
Mm. So they need to be grafted male and female, is that right? What does grafted mean?
No, there's a certain, I don't know if I have the words to explain.
Ginger, pepper, and chili are spices in our daily meals, but in our company we use it as chocolate filling.
Oh.
Nice.
But yeah, anyway, grafted trees are just trees that have other
Yeah.
seeds or other things grafted to them, and those seeds will produce fruit.
So what they've just
so-
said here is the cocoa that drops and the produced seeds can germinate and grow, but it won't actually produce the cacao fruit
Yeah.
because it's not grafted. So chocolate is man-made. Cacao is man-made.
Here we have more than 30 types of chocolate slices.
Mm.
Come to the factory and you can
Wow.
try them all.
Oh, okay.
The total area in the company park is about hairs, but now in the rainy season, we cannot choose you to go far.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
It's
Because
okay.
it's slippery.
Mm.
Bây giờ chúng ta sẽ quay lại và vào
So
Again.
we're in the rainy season. The farm is 2 hectares big, but we won't go
Now
so
we'll
far
back
into
and
it
enter the
because
workshop.
because it's muddy and slippery from basically the rainy season, and I don't think they want us to trudge through mud. I'm sure it's more of the same
Yeah.
kind of trees.
Yeah.
Palm to create, or the coconut trees to create a shade for the
Cacao.
beans.
Yeah.
And the cacao trees to produce the chocolate. I do actually wonder how old this factory is, if all these trees are around 2 years old.
Mm.
I think I'm going to ask, like, do they wait for them to get to a certain age and then let them die off and then grow some more?
Yeah, like how many harvests do they get from a tree?
Photos and videos in the workshop.
Oh, okay. Come on.
I was planning on it.
We are going inside the factory.
Very hygienic. Oh my god. I just need some strawberries. Still carrying this around.
This is the roasting room.
Oh wow, I wouldn't have thought.
So this is a roaster, probably German make.
Oh wow. It's getting good.
This is a crusher and it takes off all of the layers. So I guess this is all waste. You scoop it up. Wow, so this is again the separating of the beans and the parchment. This is the beans,
That's the cacao, I think.
cacao.
Hold it.
Maybe I need to try it.
Oh, try it. Not too bad.
Wait till the aftertaste. It's okay, good. this one is
Ralin.
Rallin.
No.
Just. Oh god.
Dark and
I just want to put this down.
so this is a dark chocolate.
This is quite
what it has
nice.
on the inside,
It's quite nice.
but lemon.
Wow.
Oh, okay. Use the chocolate fountain to dip it in
I
chocolate.
wonder if they have strawberries.
Try it, I suppose.
We percent 20 will percent 20 dip percent 28% 20 inches percent 2040%.
Dip it in 40% fat.
At 769, 800 and 700. Listen properly.
Chocolate.
Wow. Okay. Marshmallow.
Marshmallow.
Are you a machine?
I am an excellent chocolatier.
I don't know if that counts as chocolatier. Give it a go.
More chocolate.
You can vouch for me, can't you? Oh, you, a child? You know I'm a lady, don't you?
No.
You! Man on the beach! You know I'm a lady, don't you?
Ah, you're a float.
I'm a lady and my name is Emily Howard.
Right.
Stage.
I would have gone for all three in the mouth at once.
Of course you would. More chocolate. Very good. Zach, no.
So we just go along. Peanuts, ginger, cashew nuts, chocolate like cocoa nib. This one's coconut flour, nectar, just normal milk chocolate, mint chocolate. We got all of the flavors. Dark chocolate but with cinnamon, dark chocolate coconut, dark chocolate coffee. Wow. Dark chocolate mango and macadamia nut. Dark chocolate 100%, 85%, 70%, milk chocolate 40%, green tea chocolate, we'll give that one a go. Orange peel, almond, blueberry, strawberry, lime, milk chocolate coffee. Wow. Oh. Dark chocolate chili and cinnamon pepper.
I heard someone's flavor.
We are gonna try every single one of these. I'm gonna try every single one of these.
Try all. Okay, I'm gonna start off with the
I'm just gonna go.
I'm gonna start off with the ones I like more to make sure that I can eat them because I'm getting quite full. I'm not gonna have peanut chocolate.
Let's have peanuts chocolate. This peanut be amazing. Nibs. Because I've never had a nib.
Tôi thực sự thích tất cả các loại hạt. Này thực sự tốt cho
Not today. And we'll cut to cherry cruise.
Not today, Nib. Not today.
We need to look our failings in the eye and say, not today. Not today, Nibs.
Trying 100%.
We should start off by saying we don't actually
We don't like
particularly
dark
like dark chocolate. It's too dark chocolatey for us. That is 100%. I'm gonna keep a nice straight smiley face here.
I have not.
But that is awful. People that love dark chocolate, who are you?
That's worse than the raw bean.
I liked the nibs earlier. Wow.
Too dark.
Green tea. Green tea. Here we
Green
go.
tea.
Green
Green
tea
tea.
flavour. It's like white chocolate, but with green tea. I
It's-
don't like it.
It's like I know that flavour. Wait, there is something else that tastes like this.
Tea.
can't put my finger on it. Right, what else do I want to try?
Orange zest.
Chili and pepper's good.
Yeah, I mean, even like together they're amazing, but individually they're pretty. I wouldn't have said that was.
So we're going
my
to play a
favourite
game,
one.
she said, where we try the chocolate and we have to guess what it is. But I'm just trying to remember all the ingredients that exist.
That's not- Yep. We're going to take the chocolate into a box. Try and remember like exactly which ones have gone in the box in what order. It's a memory test game. Green tea, sesame, cashew nuts, mint, lime, strawberry,
Shush.
ginger. This is how I remember, and coconut.
Yeah, sure. Nice. Oh, June, you look good.
Yeah. I'm ready. Oh, nice. You could be a bricklayer. And then you need to do your... Today, Junior.
Today, Junior!
All done. Get the bubbles out there. And then in the fridge.
Just 2 quick seconds. Relief.
Like I'm building a brick wall. Oh, and the bubble release.
Here's one I made earlier.
Now we get to wrap it. Okay. Mine is revealing some chocolate somehow.
Yeah.
I swear I've done it.
Some chocolate.
Look. I think I might have done it the wrong way around. Some customer's going to be very unsatisfied.
I'm not giving this to the customer. The same.
Same. Okay.
Same. don't do it to a customer.
I don't want to put my name on this piece of work. How do you spell anonymous?
It's alright, you can't even spell.
Thank you for letting us experience this.
Aaron's done it a bit better than me. It's really long and then it gets shorter. That's
Look, chicken.
oh, I thought that was more jagged.
So here we are, me and Tara, on a random road in the Mekong Delta. It's not particularly special road, but it is the wrong one that we are on. It doesn't lead from city to city, it's not a main road, but we're here in the countryside. We've come over and pulled over and asked for a coffee from a place, and we're just going to sit here, chill, and see what we can do, discover, drive around and see. You've already saw that we've seen some dragon fruit farms and other bits and pieces. It's all very lovely around here. You okay, Jen?
I'm full.
Tara's full of chocolate and chocolate shake drink that you had, coffee, cacao,
Don't usually have this
nibs,
much chocolate
and a lot of
unless-
chocolate.
Unless it's coating strawberries.
It was like this, and then he went,
I love
white tea.
it. So these houses have holes in them, and you can hear that there's birds inside. The whole house is for birds, and we think that it's to harvest their saliva or something that they create, because that sells for a lot of money in cosmetics and Asian medicine and things like that. Alright, so there's not a bridge here, it's a ferry over the water.
Ferry on the Mekong Delta, randomly, it's 3,000 for us. So,
And we're out of fuel-ish, so
fuel. Do you want me to show you the fuel
no,
tank?
no. So it's pretty cool.
We've had our broken rice and pork, and then we went for a little...
Didn't get a film of it, but
Didn't get a film of it. I'm sure we'll have some more before the end. We've had Google Translate broken rice on menus before, and we thought it was like a weird translation or whatever until we ordered it and found that it was... And looked up online. It's actually fragmented rice, or the lower grade of rice, which is just a bit cheaper, which is cool. But the point of this little clip was afterwards we went and got something from the shop, and I was like, yeah, we can get some snack. So let's see what we grabbed from the local shop. I got my famous roasted peanuts that are coated in like coconut. Yeah, coconut. Oh, so good. Oh.
But they don't taste coconutty.
They don't taste coconutty. They just taste
Because we don't
toasted.
like
And then the next thing I bought was some
half eaten.
goody chips. A mouse has got into these and had like 3 of them. I don't know who that was. Oh no, yeah. And Tara also got something from the shop. Let's see what she's got.
My favourite thing.
Oh, yeah, wonderful.
soap.
It's a bar of soap.
I love washing my hands. That seems like it's not true, but it
So for the shop for snacks, I got 2 snacks, and then we get to the till, and all Tara's grabbed is some soap.
Yes, do it as
Stop
well.
scratching the mosquito bites. Right, signing off for the night.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you gonna say goodnight?
Good night. It's the next morning. I've just been out for a ride to our local watermelon dealer, and got a almost 3 kilo watermelon for 30,000, which is pretty good. And yeah, that's what we're having for breakfast.
I've just opened my eyes.
He's just opened his eyes, and I give him half a watermelon.
Very grateful, thank you.
It's okay too. Come for coffee. Aaron's writing in his diary. I'm on a hammock.
So we come out to get some coffee. I did a little bit of note stuff from my notebook. We're underneath these amazing trees, which seem to completely blot out the sun and the surroundings, and they're so cool. They're all along this strip, and we're now about to go and get the bikes cleaned. So let's go do that. 2 countries worth of dirt on it.
It's got the hole where the key is. Oh no.
Be alright, I'm sure. You can take. Look at that. £1
£1
for a clean.
for clean.
These are to take pictures of the bike so that we can put them on an advert to sell them, which we'll do over the next few days.
Yeah.
And I think right next to this lovely bush with these lovely purple leaves be a perfect background to take some photos.
He's got some chemistry stuff got there, June. Chemistry. He's twizzling some nozzles.
Yes, he's just getting myself for the soap.
Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah. Woo. Oh yeah, sexy.
That's the money shot.
That's the money shot. Oh, he's getting in there. He's really getting in on the insides. Like it, June? Your bike getting squeaky clean? Squeaky clean. Our second time having real com tam broken rice, which is kind of like having couscous.
In texture.
Same sort of experience.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Aaron has brought us to a free war museum.
Yeah, it's not just war, it's other things, but there are definitely
History, lots of different things.
Yeah.
We'll see if we can go inside and see what they've got there.
Yeah. I mean, look, there's war
Pretty
things over there.
grounds,
Should we go to the war
yes.
things first?
No, let's just go round into the building.
It's very pretty here. Oh, look them up.
I really want to hit it.
It was used to dig the road to block the enemy's transport in 1962.
That's what they...
It is, but it's still acknowledging. Again,
Tiles. Bath. Bathroom. Same shower. Beautiful.
it's an anti-air gun. I don't know how many
Anti-air.
millimeters the barrel is, but basically you'll have two seats, both operating pulleys. One operates the gun going up and down, the other one operates the gun on a pivot below.
Wow.
This is remnants of US aircraft, South Vietnamese troops.
Wow.
And this is artillery which would fire, I think what they would call battery, like a battery gun. Yeah, again, simple mechanisms in which to aim. It's just hand cranks and pulleys.
Such a beautiful old building. It's really beautiful inside and outside.
It's Vietnamese, not American. I think you can tell by the way that it's put together with the metalwork that they do, but I wouldn't know what it transported. Maybe it had weapons attached to it, maybe it just transported captured people, who knows.
Hello, baby. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh my god, babies.
Oh my goodness, that is tiny.
Có 500 banh vậy đó.
Small bit.
Wow. Aaron, do you want one? Oh.
Oh, wow, that is very, very small. Wow.
Come on. Oh. Oh, the
sure that
mummy.
is not happy
Yeah.
about us doing this.
No. Oh God.
Nice to see you. First name is? Sammy. Sammy. Nice to see you. Yes. Wow. Well, look at that. Come on. Oh, yeah.
Nice snack there, June.
Snake.
Snack.
Big white egg.
A bit white egg. Mhm.
Yes, I did.
Incredible. Likewise. Glad to see you. And they're extraordinary.
Thank you. That's very nice. It means a lot coming from you.
Any of them snowballs?
No.
The rest of it is thank you. I want you to see my kitchen after before I want, and then you tell me.
It's okay?
It's good.
Okay. We've come out for dinner.
A date night, we'll call
Oh.
it, because
A date night.
I said to Tara, I was like, oh, we've been on loads of those. We go out to restaurants every day. And she's like, no, it's not a date night until you call it a date night.
But I was joking, really.
So tonight we're going on a date night. I have chosen a restaurant,
Which is really nice.
which I'm nervous about because Tara always chooses the restaurant.
But it's nice. Not it. The restaurant he's chosen is nice, but the fact that he's chosen is nice. It's nice not to choose.
Yeah, so we'll see how it goes. Let's see if these two kids agree together.
And I've drawn a spade.
Ace of spade, the spades.
Spades thing instead of my heart, because I said to Aaron I actually want to get the Ace of Spades tattooed. So why don't you draw that on your face instead of your heart? I was like, it's a bit difficult, but give it a go. It's not bad. And this is what it's like here. So I got the Hawaiian pizza. We got fries, cheese sticks. Aaron got burger wedges, and there was a salad.
I ate the salad.
You ate the salad.
Oops.
Oops. That's the mom. Little country. It is very pretty. Not with your fist, you. All right, Jim. I do want to do it again. Wow. I want to be this close to get the sound. Sounds so good too.